Welcome to an overview of the Coaching to Emotional Intelligence Workshop series. Hi, I'm Tim Hagan from Progress Coaching, and I'm the founder and creator of the Progress Coaching training system. And what we've done is very unique. We've taken what we teach in Progress Coaching and applied it to the 5 fundamental areas as we teach emotional intelligence. Now, the 5 areas are self-awareness, empathy, motivation, self-regulation, and social skills. Now, during this series, we're going to teach each one of these 5 areas as well as specific coaching strategies on how to develop each area. Now, why is this important? It's important for leadership, understanding one another, communication, self-management, and coaching. So look at the following research. In most complex jobs, a top performer is 127% more productive than an average performer when they have a high degree of emotional intelligence. Research conducted in 200 companies worldwide suggests that 2/3 of the difference of success was due to emotional intelligence. In top leadership positions, over 4 out of 5 people, the difference was emotional competence. So now what can we do with this? Travis Bradbury, one of the experts in emotional intelligence, shows that 90% of top performers have a high emotional intelligence. So think about that. What can we do with this information? What we've done with this workshop series is we're going to teach you not only how to be aware of who you are, but to become aware of those people you need to coach. Because there's 2 parties in coaching. Somebody who approaches and coaches, and somebody who receives coaching. What if we were conscientious? What if we were aware? What if we were knowledgeable of not only who we were and who the people are that we're coaching, but how to coach based on their emotional intelligence? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 5 areas of emotional intelligence, and we're going to teach you how to have direct coaching conversations, how to use peer-to-peer coaching, how to use supplemental coaching when you don't even physically have to be present to develop a higher degree of emotional intelligence. We're going to teach you specific inspiration and motivational coaching strategies to, again, impart a higher degree of emotional intelligence. So here's how the program works. When you register, we're going to send you some pre-work. This is roughly a 10 to 12 minute micro lesson. Then you're going to attend a live workshop. The live workshop is going to teach the 5 areas of emotional intelligence and how to coach to them. Now, after the workshop, we're going to reinforce it with 5 weeks of micro lessons. Again, roughly 10 to 12 minutes, and we're going to teach how to coach to each one of the areas of emotional intelligence again. Now, we're also going to provide you a 40+ page coaching map workbook. Essentially, we've taken the 5 areas of emotional intelligence and we've created specific coaching strategies, which we call coaching maps, where we provide you down to the exact activity, accountability project, questions, supplemental coaching strategies, literally streamlining how to coach people that you need to have a higher degree of emotional intelligence. Now, once the reinforcement lessons have been completed, we're going to send you an assessment. That assessment is going to be for you as well as somebody that you want to coach or are coaching. Once the assessment has been completed, we're going to facilitate roughly a 30 to 45 minute strategy session with you, going over the results and providing you coaching strategies specifically to who you are and the person that you're coaching. This is exactly why we call it a workshop series. It's a series of steps that build upon one another and provide you not only an understanding of who you are, but how to use that understanding to approach and coach people based on their emotional intelligence levels. I hope you'll join us. It's a really innovative, targeted program.